This is the Samsung Galaxy XCover 6 Pro I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can check your mobile data usage on this device. So it is a very simple thing to do. You gotta launch settings, then enter the very first category that you'll see, which is the connections. Then go for the dedicated data usage section over here. And at the top of the following page, you'll be able to see how many gigabytes, bytes, or megabytes, whatever, how much cellular data in general you have used already. So that would be it for you. And by the way, it's also worth mentioning before I finish the video that once you have, any data usage on record, because as you can see in my case it is 0, but once you do, you'll have this section available, not grayed out, but also clickable. And once tapping on it, you'll be able to see a detailed breakdown on how much mobile data has been used by each individual application. Alrighty, so that would be definitely it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.